How to fix storage full problem on an Android device. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through steps on how you can fix storage full problem on an Android device. Well, to fix storage full problem on an Android device, you want to proceed to head over to settings, and from settings you want to scroll down and head over to device care or the storage option. Now if you find device care, head into it and head into storage. Now as you can see under the storage, now if you have maximum limit rates, then you'll find it right here. Now you can see I have large files, you'll find it similarly, so you can select the large files directly from here. Now make sure that you don't need it before deleting. So I have here certain large files that I don't need at all. So I can simply, what you can do is I can proceed to select it, right? And then I can delete it directly from here this way. And I can clear out the storage. Now I can also head into the archive apps. Now this is here for the unused apps. I can either uninstall them or I can archive them. So for certain apps that you don't use, what you can do is you can simply proceed to head up, select it. Once you select it, you can select uninstall and uninstall the applications and free up storage that way as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.